Hi everyone, Electro here. Just winding some stainless wire to ship off to the guys that I've traded some parts with, and I just thought I'd show you guys my coil winder that I recently bought off eBay. It's a manual winder. This is usually spring loaded, but because of the size of the bobbin I've had to secure it up there so it doesn't interfere, because this mechanism here auto winds it across the spool, which I'll show you guys here. That's the part that interests me. Also, even though it's got a turn winder, what I found is, as the diameter increases, each turn is a different length, so you can't really go for a particular length off the number of turns. So what I've done is got myself a depth finder. Now, as I said, I'm winding this one in one length. There's going to be a number of coils on here, and one of Russ's suggestions is, instead of cutting each coil, I'll just mark it with the tape. So there's the first marker, which is at just under 185 metres, which is just over 600 feet, which is, from my calculations, around about one coil of the bifilar coil's worth. So I've still got quite a while to go, but like I said, what I'll show you guys is how this works. Now, you wind it here. Oh, by the way, you can change this gear by removing this and the gear, turning the gear around and reinserting everything, and then it gives it a 6:1 turn ratio. At the moment it's 1:1.6 ratio, which by coincidence is the golden proportion, but anyway, that turns the spool. Now, through a little wheel down there, that momentum is transferred to this wheel here, which has the feeding mechanism on there. Now, this is just about set to trip, so I'll show you guys how it trips. I don't know if you can see the wire there, but it's yeah, oops, I didn't show you that. And I'll go again. But it seems to wind the wire quite neatly, and the counter there slowly goes around. Now, I don't want to wind this wire too quick, because it can snap. I practiced a lot before on the bare wire, and if I had the 6:1 ratio on, I could snap the wire. That's why I'm decided just to take my time with this, because this is the only wire I got. I can't really buy any more even if I wanted some. So anyway, there's the mechanism. There you go. Now it'll wind the other way. Basically, with that, you don't have to hand feed your spool, so you get a nice even wind. It's impractical for the Stan Meyer ones because the coils are so close together, but for stuff like this, it's quite good. And yeah, so hang in there, Russ. Like I said, I've wound this. I'm just waiting for a reply from your email regarding the calculations. Once we've determined the length, I'll finish spooling it and ship it off. Till then, bye.